How to fix ad payment method not showing on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial we'll be discussing about and I'll show you how to fix the problem of the ad payment method option not showing up in your Roblox application. So if you're missing the ad payment method option, here's what you can do. First of all, you need to open your web browser on your phone like Chrome or Safari according to your choice. Now go to roblox.com and log into your account. Tap on Continue in Browser, and if it asks again, tap on Continue in Browser. Tap on the Roblox icon in the top right corner of this screen that you will find between the Notifications and Settings option. Now you will get three different options, that is Buy Robux, My Transactions, and Redeem Robux Codes. Tap on Buy Robux. Now select the Robux that you want to buy. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to another page. Now, from this page, you will see the payment type or payment method in the right corner of the screen. Now, you can go ahead and tap on credit card, debit card, PayPal, or redeem Robux card or any other form of payment. Tap on credit card. Now, enter the email address, your card information, the card expiry date, CVV code, full name on the card, and your country or region, and then tap on pay in the bottom of the screen. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.